Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Gaz9919 here, and what we're going to be doing today is testing out this product that I've been wanting to test out for quite a while now, and it is Meguiars All-Round Cleaner. And I want to put this product to the test today. I want to put it right under the deep end, and I want to start with the area that has the most amount of different materials in it, because this thing says cleans wheel wells, vinyl trim, carpet, rubber, chrome and more. So basically everything. So the most diverse place besides starting is obviously the engine bay, because we have, we've got the rubber pipes, we've got the plastic reservoirs and things like that. Then we've got a bit of metal, and then we've got the fabric for the firewall and the fabric on the bottom of the bonnet. So we're just going to go around all of that and see how well it will turn up. So let's get to it. Right then, so obviously that clean was on Dennis, a 20-year-old engine. So now let's see what we can do on Zara, a 10-year-old engine, and see how clean we can make that. So that is it for the all-round cleaner for this video. It works really well on engine bays, and I know it's all-round cleaner, so in another video I might do a sort of part 2, and we'll go around like the interior of the car, and then maybe a part 3 where we go around the exterior of the car and just see how good it does, all round. But that is it for this video, guys. If you did enjoy it, as always, please don't forget to like, subscribe, maybe even hit that bell icon for notifications on future uploads. But until the next time, peace.